Good morning. We woke up to fresh snow this morning. It is beautiful this morning. It's very pretty, quiet. Listen to how quiet it is. Good morning from Pretty Boy. Now I gotta feed the chickens, and then I'll head up to the barn and feed the horses. First, I gotta dig my car out. It's not too bad. So we'll see you up at the barn. This morning, got a little bit of an adventure. I couldn't drive into the barn at my friend's house, so had to park down the road and hike in. Show you what it looks like out there. Up on top of a hill, and the wind comes across here. Can you see that? The wind comes across here pretty good. But when I leave the shelter of the pine trees, then it gets really chilly there. Roxy's waiting. Hey, Rox. Good girl. Good girl. He says he's hungry. Bring more hay out to me. Get back, Rex. Good boy. Get back. Get back. Get back. Go on, get back so I can give you your hay. Ah. Go get you some more. I don't know if you can see the snowfall or not. I can't see it through my camera lens, but man, it's coming down. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, I'm here to tell you these are not any California bales. California bales are very heavy. I couldn't do this. These bales are very light. Got a couple more, and then I'll have them down enough for a couple days. Feeding the horses and mucking the stalls is very enjoyable for me. Hey, Rex. What are you doing, Goober? Out of the feed trough. Thank you. I know the answer may be obvious, but why do they choose the clean areas to poop instead of pooping in the dirty areas? And then they can lay in the clean areas, right? Horses. And another thing. Feeders and hay and horses. They never want to keep the hay where it belongs. Some of you know when we left California, we left our horses behind, and the intention was to get some when we got out here, but it hasn't happened yet. We haven't had the resources. We have property, but the barn and the fencing are not safe for the horses. So in the meantime, I get to go enjoy other people's horses, and I really enjoy that. And right now, listen to how quiet it is in the barn. I mean, there's a little bit of noise, but it's not cold. I'm overdressed because I'm dressed to go outside. It's time for me to hike across the snow back to my car and head back home for the morning. One more view from the stall. Snow and icicles. I just noticed these coming off of the barn roof. Bye, Rox. Bye, Roxy. See you later, girl. It's time to head out. Hope you have your snow gear on. Back at the car, and that snow turned into rain, I guess, or real wet. It's supposed to rain. Wasn't supposed to rain till a little bit later, but I guess it got here early. So I'm back in the car, and now I'm heading home.